ridiculously easy side hustle that seriously anyone can start. This one has the potential to bring in a couple thousand a week once you get it rolling, and the best part? You can do it quietly. No one has to know you're running it. Make sure you save this video so you can come back to it later, and let's get straight into it. First, open Google and type in Amazon Associates. Click the first official link you see and create your free account. After you're in, head over to Amazon and check out the best sellers list. Pick a product you want to promote. Remember, higher priced items usually mean higher commissions. Once you've chosen something, look in the top right area for the option to grab your affiliate link. Copy that special link. They track it so you get paid. Next, jump over to Pinterest. Create a free account if you don't have one and start a new idea pin. Upload an eye-catching image of the product, write a short title and description, and here's the key step. Paste that affiliate link you copied earlier. That's how Amazon knows to send the commission to you. Now, whenever someone clicks your pin and buys the product, you earn a percentage. And you're not limited to just one item. You can repeat this process over and over. This is the basics of affiliate marketing, and Amazon is only one of many companies with these programs. Some affiliate programs pay way more, like $1,000 to $2,000 a day once you scale. That's exactly what I do. Join me on a passive income journey by liking, subscribing, and sharing our video. You may also download our free app by visiting EasyNetCash.online. You can begin today.